Hey guys, welcome to Praxie Best Practices. Today we're going to review easy maintenance management in Praxie. The first thing we're going to do is set up your categories for the different types of maintenance you want to do. Secondly, we're going to create those maintenance projects. We're then going to assign tasks and priorities to your team, and then we're going to review and track progress. Let's get started. When you come into the app, you'll see the help section here at the top in the menu structure. And within the help section, you'll see the video you're watching now, and you can come back here anytime and review it. You'll also see the ability to send a request to our team if you'd like to customize this app in any way to your exact needs. And down below are some further instructions. When you want to set up the different categories, click this link. It will take you to a categories list for the different types of maintenance you want to do, or the different equipment lists or area. You'll see how those are selected in the projects themselves. Once you get that done, you can come in either to your maintenance list or your maintenance board. The board view shows you all the maintenance projects laid out in a standard sort of Kanban view. Each one of these projects can be added by clicking on the new button there. And a work order number will be generated. This is where those different lists apply, where you can set up the different areas or type of repair you want to do or maintenance you want to do. You can set up who created it and the date created. And you can add different photographs here and describe the maintenance to be done. Down below, you can prioritize the project as well as set its status, and then assign to anyone you want on your team particular actions. And that's basically it for each of these records. And then as you complete them, or your team members complete them, they can just drag them across here. Now the list view is also a view available here, but you can view that list view here at the top. And this gives you the total number of maintenance projects and a nice report about their overall status, and you can drill down right here as well. You can also do searches or export to Excel. And finally, you can see all of the project timelines here, which show you all of the different projects, which you can drill down to and see all the tasks being completed to build out and support those maintenance projects. And once all those projects and actions have been assigned, your team members can come over here to My Actions and see all of the action items that are assigned to them across any of the projects in your portfolio. So that's it. That's easy maintenance management in Praxie.